Plug in your Bakerlux LED or Go oven and you will notice that the LED display will power up and illuminate, as well as the light in the door. To initiate the oven, press the Start/Stop button. We are now ready to set our preheat. To do that, press the Pre button. Use the plus or minus button to adjust the temperature. For this demonstration, we will preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that your preheat is set, you can now enter your cooking parameters by pressing the 1 button. The first parameter is cook time. Use the plus or minus button to set your cook time. For this demonstration, we will set it to 30 minutes. The next parameter to set is temperature. Since we preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll set our cook temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The next two parameters are only available on the LED models, not the Go panel. The first one is humidity. As you can see here, you can adjust the humidity level in increments of 20%. You can also adjust the fan speed. 1 being a low fan speed, and 2 being standard. If this is a recipe that you wish to save, simply click and hold one of the program buttons, and it will save it to the oven's memory. If no other cooking parameters are needed, simply click Start to begin preheating. The oven will begin to preheat, and the flashing number shows you what the current temperature is at, while the solid number shows you your desired preheat temperature. When that temperature is reached, the oven will beep, the light will flash, at which time you can open the door, load your food product, and close the door, which will begin the baking process. If for some reason you need to stop cooking, simply hold the stop button and the oven will stop. Thank you for choosing Bakerlux by Cadco. Baking ahead of its time.